I always got it for you before.
That's okay. I can do it. Fuck me.
Help?
Oh, almost finished.
Need help?
No.
Okay.
Put this in here. I'm sorry, Zane.
It's okay.